hayungni economy o kaini phangonang hagotorongkha Bharat-Germany News 9 Global Summit of Bharat-Germany ni bonding ni kok sabai khnarika Kendriya Mantri Jyotiraditya Scindia sanglongsalni simi Germany ni Stuttgart o sangkhajaka TV9 network ni News 9 Global Summit a pandabo thangino Kendriya Mantri Saka kaini hagotorni distance belekheno hasalo fiaba kaini hagotorni bonding belekheno kaham International stage o kaini hakotoni mung jodoni selaiko jugo thane bisichi Bharat bobo haike selaijaka a kogrogbo sabai khnarika Kendriya Mantri Jyotiraditya Scindia botebo saklaika hayungni thayo Bharat-Germany baksake kaini hakotor kwtal laibuma swimano tangai hinke kaini hakotoni samung belai kheno kujugo kasajak joto phasingtei sanglongsalni simi jengkhajak global summit bainai 23 November salmaribo phasalo pando phai kok naraknai Mantri Bokrok Narendra Modi.
To promote and to gain and to become a Viksit Bharat, and Germany celebrating the centenary of your Federal Republic. Together, our nations can write a new chapter of global progress. As we embark upon that promise and that journey, we hold close to ourselves the spirit of Vasudeva Kutumbakam. The world is one family. This vision of unity and shared responsibility is now more relevant than others. Let me thank TV9 and Barun Das ji and the government of Germany for creating this opportunity, which will stand as a testament that when two countries unite, when innovation and progress unites, it sets upon a path, a beacon for the world to follow.
Bureau Report, Kokkhara.